Can humans live on Mars? Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has fascinated humanity for generations. Its striking red appearance and potential for exploration have made it a symbol of adventure and possibility. The concept of humans living on Mars once seemed like pure science fiction, but advances in space technology have brought this dream closer to reality. In this video, we explore the challenges and solutions for human survival on Mars, including its harsh environment, thin atmosphere, and lack of resources. Join us as we uncover the groundbreaking innovations and visions shaping the future of human life on the Red Planet. The challenges of living on Mars. Mars, often referred to as the Red Planet, is both similar and very different from Earth. While it shares some common traits with our planet, such as having a day and seasons, it presents many challenges that make human life difficult without extensive technology and preparation. Let's look at some of the biggest challenges. One of the most significant obstacles to living on Mars is its thin atmosphere. Unlike Earth, where oxygen makes up around 21% of the atmosphere, Mars's atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide. This means that there is no breathable air for humans. To survive, astronauts would need to bring their own oxygen supply or develop technology that can create oxygen from the Martian environment. One promising idea is to use a process called electrolysis, where carbon dioxide is split into oxygen and carbon monoxide. NASA's Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, MOXIE, is a small device that is already testing this technology on Mars. If successful, it could help astronauts generate breathable oxygen directly from the Martian atmosphere. Mars is much colder than Earth, with average temperatures around -80 degrees Fahrenheit, -60 degrees Celsius. During the Martian winter, temperatures can drop as low as -195 degrees Fahrenheit, -125 degrees Celsius near the poles. These extreme cold conditions make it incredibly difficult for humans to survive without proper protection. Spacesuits and habitat structures would need to be well insulated to protect people from the cold. Scientists are exploring the use of heated shelters such as inflatable habitats or underground bases to provide warmth and shelter for astronauts on Mars. The harsh climate would require a constant power supply for heating, which could be generated using solar panels or nuclear reactors. Another major challenge is the lack of a protective magnetic field on Mars. On Earth, our magnetic field helps protect us from harmful solar and cosmic radiation. Mars, however, does not have this protection, which means that anyone living on the surface would be exposed to much higher levels of radiation. This could lead to severe health problems such as cancer or radiation sickness over time. To mitigate this risk, scientists are considering various solutions, such as building habitats with thick walls made of Martian soil or other materials to block radiation. Another potential solution is to create underground habitats, where the Martian surface would offer some protection from radiation. Water is essential for human life, but Mars has very little liquid water. While there is evidence of frozen water beneath the Martian surface and some ice at the poles, accessing it is a significant challenge. Scientists are exploring ways to extract water from the soil or ice on Mars to supply astronauts with what they need. One method being researched is using robotic drills or excavation tools to reach ice deposits buried beneath the surface. Once extracted, the ice could be melted and purified for drinking water. Another potential source of water is the process of mining minerals that contain water, such as hydrated salts or clays, and extracting the water from them. Another challenge for long-term survival on Mars is food production. Bringing enough food from Earth to support a human colony would be expensive and impractical. Instead, future Mars missions would need to focus on growing food on the planet itself. NASA has been researching ways to grow food in space, and some of these technologies could be adapted for use on Mars. The idea of using hydroponics or aeroponics, which are soil-free methods of growing plants, is a promising solution. By growing crops inside controlled environments, astronauts could have access to fresh food without relying on Earth shipments. NASA has been researching ways to grow food in space, and some of these technologies could be adapted for use on Mars. The idea of using hydroponics or aeroponics, which are soil-free methods of growing plants, is a promising solution. By growing crops inside controlled environments, astronauts could have access to fresh food without relying on Earth shipments. living on Mars would not only be physically challenging, but mentally and emotionally demanding as well. Astronauts would be isolated from Earth for long periods, with limited communication due to the vast distance. This isolation, combined with the harsh environment, could lead to feelings of loneliness, depression, and stress. To address these issues, future Mars missions will need to carefully consider the psychological well-being of the crew. This could involve providing recreational activities, maintaining regular communication with Earth, and ensuring that astronauts have a support system in place. Current efforts to reach Mars. Humanity has always aspired to explore Mars, our neighboring planet. With advancements in technology and determined efforts, this dream is gradually turning into reality. Leading the charge are organizations like NASA and private companies such as SpaceX, which are pioneering the exploration and potential settlement of the Red Planet. NASA has been systematically working toward human exploration of Mars through its Artemis program. The Artemis initiative, which aims to return humans to the Moon by 2025, serves as a stepping stone for future Mars missions. By conducting experiments and testing technologies on the lunar surface, NASA is laying the groundwork for extended space travel. Central to NASA's Mars mission is the development of advanced technologies such as the Space Launch System, SLS rocket, and the Orion spacecraft. These systems are designed to withstand the rigors of deep space travel and will likely play key roles in transporting astronauts to Mars in the 2030s. Additionally, NASA is focused on creating survival technologies for Mars's extreme conditions. These include cutting-edge spacesuits, robust life support systems, and innovative habitat designs. Mars poses unique challenges with its frigid temperatures, high radiation levels, and thin atmosphere, making these developments critical for the safety and sustainability of human explorers. SpaceX, under the leadership of Elon Musk, has taken bold steps toward making Mars colonization a reality. Musk's ultimate vision is to establish a self-sustaining human settlement on Mars, transforming humanity into a multi-planetary species. The centerpiece of SpaceX's Mars ambitions is the Starship rocket, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to transport large crews and cargo to the Red Planet. Starship represents a breakthrough in space travel by dramatically reducing costs, which is essential for long-term Mars exploration. While Musk has expressed hopes for a crewed mission as early as 2024, such timelines are highly ambitious. Nevertheless, SpaceX's achievements, particularly in reusable rocket technology, mark significant milestones in interplanetary travel. The journey to Mars is not without its challenges, but the collaborative efforts of organizations like NASA and SpaceX bring humanity closer to this historic achievement. As technological advancements continue, the once distant dream of reaching and settling on Mars is steadily becoming an attainable goal. The future of Mars exploration. As technology evolves, the dream of living on Mars grows closer to reality. Yet, achieving this goal will require decades of research, innovation, and rigorous testing. Scientists and engineers are tackling major hurdles, such as producing oxygen, shielding humans from harmful radiation, growing sustainable food, and developing reliable life support systems. In the coming years, the first crewed missions to Mars may take place. These pioneering astronauts will likely spend extended periods on the planet to collect vital data, refine technologies, and assess the feasibility of long-term habitation. Their missions will test human endurance in harsh conditions and provide insights crucial for building a self-sustaining colony. Mars colonization represents a bold step for humanity, promising to expand our presence beyond Earth. While challenges remain, ongoing advancements suggest a future where humans could one day call the Red Planet home. In conclusion, while humans living on Mars is still a long way from becoming a reality, the progress made so far is promising. The challenges of living on the Red Planet are immense, but advancements in technology, space exploration, and scientific research are making it increasingly possible to overcome these obstacles. As we continue to learn more about Mars and develop the necessary technology, the dream of humans living on Mars may one day come true. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you.